Since we all are familiar with Instagram, and there is a feature in most of the app in current scenario that is light mode and dark mode. I'll show you in this video how to add this feature in your Flutter app. We'll be using like something called provider and shared preference to save the theme even when the app is closed. It's simple, useful, and mainly it looks great. So let's visit that. So one of the most important thing and the first thing you have to do is go to public.yaml and add this provider and share preference. So demo of the project is this. You can check like there's a dark mode and there's a light mode. So when I toggle this button, there will be a switch between light and dark mode. So first of all, go to popspec.yaml, then add this line package that is provider. This is a version of provider, and this is the shared preference, and this is the version of shared preference. So after that, in liv function, I create a function page called in liv, create a theme provider, and then call this, import this and this shared preference, and then you have to write this code. Like it's not a big deal, it's a simple function. What I'm doing is it's calling up the functions. So we have to do this. So in theme provider, what we're doing is we're writing a logic to toggle between light and dark theme. This class controls the theme and store it in local storage so that even after restarting the app, the selected mode stays active. So that's the most important thing. So let's take the logic part here. So this is the logic here. Theme provider global theme. There is a function called global theme. If dark, then this. Then save theme to is dark mode. Notify listener, and there is a like global theme, save theme. Then go to main.dart, and update main.dart. Then wrap the app with this change notification provider. So this is updated code. It's not much. This is updated. Also, the thing you have to remember is that add this line debug so set mode banner first. What it does is that it will remove that debug mode here. So that's another part as well. So what we are doing here is that we're listening to theme provider. This is the previous file created. Then switching theme mode depend upon the user choice, that is depend on this toggle button. So now we have done that. We need this UI, right? So for that, let's create homepage.dart, and in here, let's create a simple UI to toggle with a toggle button. And this had a simple switch in the app bar to toggle between light and dark theme, as you can see. So this is not much, but just the UI with a button. Then let's run using Flutter run, and I'm running at the moment. I'm running it on Google Chrome. So as you can see, it's working. So that's it. So this is how you implement light and dark mode in Flutter. So the main thing is the YAML, and please note down this indentation. This YAML file is like you have to really take care of indentation. So remember that. And we have div file. This is for div and display button, and then main dot. This is the main file. We are switching based on theme provider that is where. So that is for this video. You can the GitHub link is on bio, and also you can download this app from my GitHub repository and you can test it. So please like, subscribe, and share to my YouTube channel for future further videos.